You talking to Dad down there? Jamison, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Want to play ball? Throw Mommy the ball. Over here. Over here. You're going to go the wrong way. Good job, Bubble. Throw Mommy the ball. Right here. I'm open. You can't stand up with the ball, baby. You want to play with the bear instead? It went underneath. It went underneath. And this is when you can't have anything anywhere. Are you going to fold Daddy's clothes? Is that the garbage man? Go to the window. Go to the window. Jamison, go to the window. Hurry up. Hurry up. Go to the window. Come on, baby. Who is that? Bubble, don't you want to see the garbage truck out the window? Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. No? You're just going to sit there? You frozen? I knew you were going to come. Who's out there? Love it! Yay, Bubba!